Hi students, in today's section we discuss about NOR gate and NAND gate. First of all, let us see the NOR gate. Okay, NOR gate, it is a complement gate for OR gate. It is complement gate for OR gate. What is the meaning of complemented gate? Nothing but NOT gate. So a combination of NOR OR gate and NOT gate gives NOR gate. Combination of NOT gate OR gate gives the NOR gate. Understand? So see here. Let us suppose we consider one OR gate here. Okay, two input OR gate. So let the inputs are named as A and B. Okay, then OR gate gives a logic function of A plus B na. Okay, so this is output of OR gate. This output of OR gate now given as input for NOT gate. This is simple for NOT now. So if you give output of OR gate as input of NOT gate, then the resultant output is, we know, NOT gate. NOT gate always makes the complement of the input. So whatever maybe you take as input, it make it as complement of that one. Your input is what? A plus B. So the output is now becomes A plus B complement. Understand? So a NOR gate is obtained by output of OR gate is connected as input of NOT gate, then we can obtain the NOR gate. Okay, let us see the logic symbol. So take one OR gate. This is OR gate now. So here inputs we may take as A and B. Okay. Now just make a bubble here. Just place a bubble. That bubble indicates the NOT gate. Okay. Then what is the output? Y is equal to A plus B bar. Understand now? So this is NOR gate. Understand? So if you place one bubble here, it is always called as a NOR gate. There is no bubble here, hence it is called as OR gate. If bubble is there, it is called as NOR gate. Understand? Now let us see the truth table. We know in truth table we have inputs and output. Here inputs are taken as A, B na. So inputs are A and B. And what is output? Output is Y is equal to A plus B complement. Okay. For understanding purpose, I may taken one more column here, that is A plus B. Okay. Originally we required only input and output. For understanding purpose only, I take one A plus B here. Okay. We know the truth table nothing but it gives the all possible combinations. Okay. Here, what are the possibilities of A and B? A possibilities are 0, 0, 1, 1. B possibilities are 0, 1, 0, 1. We know this one. Okay. Now, first of all, make A plus B. We know 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. In OR gate, we explain this one. Okay. Now, complement of this one gives the output. Now, Complement of 0 nothing but 1. Complement of 1 nothing but 0. Complement of 1 0. Complement of 1 0. That means if you write this one like this, okay, so the truth table contains only AB and Y is equal to A plus B complement. Understand? Now from truth table properly check, we can get two statements. Okay, two statements for NOR gate. What are the statements? Properly say. Here one is there, one is there, here also one is there. Whenever any one input is high, output you got low na? So what is the first statement for NOR gate? Any one input is high, output is low. Okay, another statement, all inputs are low, then only output is high. All inputs are low, then output is high, or any one input is high, output is low. Clear now? Two statements. Understand? Now let us see the timing diagram. Okay, we know the timing diagram is nothing but it represents the diagrammatical representation of the input and output waveforms. How the input is there, how the output waveforms is available by using this truth table. Okay, so let the the timing diagram consisting of 4 timings T1, T2, T3, T4. Okay, so this is at time T1, it is at time T2, and it is time T3, and it is at time T4. Okay, all the 4 input combinations at a time measuring is not possible. Okay, at one time you can measure inputs as 0 0 and see the output, and the next time 0 1 as 0, and the next time 1 0 as 0, and the next time 1 1 as 0. Okay, at a time all the 4 combinations measuring is not possible. Clear now? So let us see about the inputs. Inputs are A and B na? And what is output? Output is Y is equal to A plus B complement. Right? Now let us see. First of all, A is 0, B is 0. A 0, B also 0. Output is 1. You got high value. Okay, it is 0 and 0. Second one, at a time T2, 0, 1. It is lower value. 1 means it is higher value. It is 0, 1. Third one, A is 1, B is 0. A is 1 means it has higher value. B 0. 0 means lower value. Understand? T4 is A1, B is 1. For T4, A is 1. So it is continuous. B is 1. B is 1 means like this. Okay? 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. See the output? Output value is first one, all the remaining are 0. So first is 1, all the remaining values are zeros only. Understand now? So if anywhere you observe the timing graph like this given, that is related to the NOR gate. Understand? So in timing diagram, what we found? The input and output diagrammatical representation of waveforms. Okay, so these are all waveforms, digital waveforms. In digital waveform, we have only 0 and 1 now. So 0 represents sometimes low, 1 represents high. 0 indicates 0 voltage, 1 represents plus 5 voltage. Okay, so by using this timing diagram, we can observe that if the output is coming in this way, that is related to the NOR gate. Understand? So this is about NOR gate. Okay, what is NOR gate? It is just a complement gate for OR gate. Second point is very important. Output of OR gate is connected to input of NOT gate. Then you get the NOR gate. This is the logic symbol. Truth table. From truth table, you can get the two statements. What are that? The first one is any input is high, output is low. Second one, if all inputs are low, then only output is high. Clear? Please note it down. Now, you may see the NAND gate. NAND gate. So, it is nothing but a complement gate for AND gate. Nothing but complement gate for AND gate. Okay, so let us take a two input AND gate. We know the symbol for AND gate, it is like D now. Okay, take two inputs, one is A, another one is B. We know AND gate function. AND gate function is nothing but x is equal to logical multiplication now. So x value is got A dot B. Okay, now the output of AND gate connected as input of NOT gate, then NOT gate always makes complement of input. So input you given as A dot B now, so NOT gate makes complement of that one. So A dot B complement. Understand? So a NAND gate is obtained by output of AND gate is treated as input of NOT gate, then NOR gate is NAND gate is obtained. Understand? So let us see the logic symbol. So the logic symbol for NAND gate is nothing but first draw AND gate. Okay, it has two inputs A and B. We said in the previous gates also, minimum we required two inputs. You can take as many, like n also you may take A, B, C, D, E, F up to n. Okay, but you may get only one output. Okay, so it is one AND gate. Here just draw one bubble here, then you got the NAND gate. Okay, if you place one bubble, small bubble, then it is called NAND gate. So NAND gate output is A dot B complement. Clear? So this is the logic symbol for the NAND gate. Now, truth table. In truth table, we can take inputs as A and B, and we get output. Output nothing but what? Y is equal to A dot B complement. So for understanding purpose, I may take one more column here. That column is nothing but A dot B. Okay, now see A, all possible combinations now. A may be 0, 0, 1, 1. B 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, and the function of AND is just normal multiplication. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Okay. Now, output is what? Complement of these values. Complement of these values means 0, now its complement is 1, na? 0, complement 1, 1 and 0. Is it clear? For truth table it is not required, that's why I placing with a red ink. Clear now? So can you say two statements by using this truth table now? Okay, please check once. Here two zeros, even you got one zero in there, you got one zero is there, you can get the one. So what is the first statement? If any one input is low, output is high. Any one input is low, output is high. That is the first statement. Second statement, if all inputs are high, then only output is low. All inputs are high, we get output is low. Understand? Now, the last one, timing diagram. Okay. So take T1, T2, T3 and T4. Okay. We said previously in the NOR gate also, at a time all four combinations measuring is not possible. So at a particular T1, A value is 0, B value is 0. So take A and B here. These are inputs and we can get output as y is equal to A dot B bar. Right now, this is output. Okay. So this is a T1, it is a T2, T3 and T4. Check once. At a T1, A is 0, B is 0. Next, at T2, A is 0, B is 1. At T3, A is 1, B is 0. At T4, A is 1, B is also 1. Understand now? So 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Clear? See the output? Output at a T1, T2, T3 all are at high, T4 only low. So output is at high, only at T4 the value is low. So it is 0, it is 1, 1, 1. Understand now? So anywhere if you observe the timing diagram like this 1, 1, 1, 0, it is nothing but a NAND gate. Understand? So this is about the timing diagram. So what is NAND gate? NAND gate is nothing but complement gate for AND gate, and its logic symbol was take a AND gate, just make one bubble here. If you connected a bubble, then it becomes as an AND gate. From truth table, we observing if any input is high, output, if any input is low, output is high. Second one, both inputs are high, then only output is low. And this is the timing diagram. Understand? So, we are discussing until now about NAND gate and NOR gate. These two are called as universal gates. Why they are called as universal gates and what are universal gates? We discuss in the next section. Okay? Thank you.